Welcome to Raider Trading, automated day trading software that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. This morning we saw Avalon Global Care Corporation surge pre-market after announcing its acceptance into the AMD AI developer program. Since the news just dropped, we turned on long mode, and the automated tool took initial positions on the 1 and 5 minute breakouts. At this point, the stock was not thickly traded and volume kept pouring in, indicating that we were not on the backside of the move. Price was moving sideways, but definitely holding support, so the software continued to scale in as we approached the psychological $1 barrier. As ALBT continues to chop, Raider Trading de-risks close to our cost basis, but gets ready to scale back in if we make fresh highs. Price convincingly breaks $1, and after securing the second win, the software scalps one last time as we peak around 125. The stock starts to become thickly traded, and as momentum starts to fade, Raider Trading scales down our position to prepare for the first major pullback. We finished the day with over $3,000 in profit for 15 minutes of work. That's Raider Trading, an algorithm that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. Head to RaiderTrading.com to learn more.